Shabbat Smart Waste Pump Controller, a setup with a single pump and a twin float. So here we have the sump, we have a pump, high level float, low level float, and water alarm level float. The floats are connected on the controller, the high and the low with a common for both of them. This will activate the pump at high and deactivate when it reaches the low level. Then we have the alarm input, which is connected over here to the alarm float. When it reaches high level, it means that the pump is not able to remove the water, and that will activate the alarm relay. Then we have a weekday Shabbat switch. When the contact over here is closed, though it's in weekday mode. When the contact is open, is Shabbat mode. Power supply to the unit, supplied with a unit, a 9-volt transformer connects on this connection right over here. Then alarm relay can connect to any kind of alarm, whether it's a buzzer or it's a alarm system with a text message or an email, etc. Then we have the pump relay. Live comes into the common, leaves out from normally open, and together with the neutral and earth to the pump. We have two rotary switches, RV1 and RV2. RV1, we can see over here, it dictates the operation intervals in Shabbat mode. The minimum is 10 minutes, at the maximum it's every 60 minutes. So when the time reaches, it will operate for a number of seconds as set in RV2. So here you can see rotary switch RV2, and we can see that the minimum is it will operate the pump on the time intervals for either 3 seconds or up to 10 seconds operation. And this is the time it will operate before it will check the water level float and decide if to continue to operate or to stop. Then we have 4 dip switches, where dip switch number 1, right over here we can see, that dictates a low or high, which means a 2-wire float or 3-wire float. In our case, for this setup, it has to be set to 1 for a 3-wire float. Dip switch 1-4. This dip switch over here dictates standard mode or demo. Demo mode is commissioning mode. So when we commission the system and we want to check the Shabbat operation, we don't have to wait for the time interval between 10 and 60 minutes to see the operation and test it. We put it into commissioning mode, and then it will operate every 20 seconds. It will activate the pump, and then we can check to see when we raise and drop the float, we can see the operation over Shabbat. Thank you for watching.